It's going to show you an item, unfortunately. Oh yeah, there we are.
What's up, guys?
Hey!
Hey!
Check out the roof.
Kirby, Crystal, and Marv here. We're going to check out the roof we got put on. The name of this property is Janie's Place, but this is going to be Crystal's home.
Right.
And Crystal, congratulations. What a beautiful place.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you bet. So we want to take you up for a quick tour of your roof as an inspection and a part of the inspection process on your roof.
Look at that. You
Looking
see
good.
your whole roof.
Oh yeah.
All right. Let's see. We got pipe boots there.
Yeah.
That's always good. We got a pipe over here at our mast arm. One of the things we're going to check on. All right, let's see if I can go the right direction here. Baby, is that tall enough?
It's a ridge vent.
That's clear enough in there. You can fly some. Yeah.
One of the things we're going to check on while we're roofing, and any habitat roof needs to be checked on, is those rows. You see how they're nice and straight right there?
Yes, they are.
That's a very important thing to check on and look at on your home so that it doesn't have problems. You don't have to deal with your roof in the future and have issues with it. Let's check them going the other way as well there.
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty good to me. Baby, hot enough? Okay. Very nice. So we got ridge vent. Marv mentioned that. Let's see here. Going the wrong way here, guys. Sorry about that. There we go. Alright, there's the front of the roof. Got our valleys are nice and straight.
Yeah.
So this is your ridge vent right here. This
Okay.
is what's going to ventilate your attic space so that there's no moisture or dampness or nothing like that.
Okay.
And there's a ridge vent on the top. And again, we're looking at these rows. One of the things I think I'm going to be curious if I can check is the stagger of those shingles right there. I want to take a look at that and get an inspection on it from here.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can see our stagger here. We've got a stagger there, a stagger there, a stagger there. You see? And that's what you want.
Okay.
That's a very important thing to check on your roof to make sure that it's installed properly. So we definitely do that, Crystal, and look that over as well. Do you have any questions for us or for Litespeed about, you know, the roof construction or anything? I know you've seen a lot of it, but a lot of times folks aren't. It's not as easy to see some of the other parts of the roof, and this is a good chance to
look at it. Yeah. How far does the shingles overlap the drip edge?
Yes, that's a great question. We typically do 1.5 inches.
Okay.
Yep. And the drip edge is on the outside of the home.
Right.
There, Crystal, and that's a great question.
You put that piece in right up the top there, remember? You were at the top of the ladder.
I
that
did.
Last piece in, right there. She climbed the ladder and she said, I don't do heights.
I don't do
I
nothing.
made her go up to the top with that last piece in.
Let's see if I can get in on the drip edge here. So wait, is this what you're talking about right over here?
What's that?
Is that what you're talking about? She put the
On
No,
the
that's the other end. It's the other end.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it's the electrical box. That's at that end. So it's at the other end she did.
So the drip edge is right here.
Right there,
That's
along
the
the
drip edge around the perimeter right there.
Okay.
Let's check the other end of the house.
Too close.
I've always wanted to learn how to drive one of those things. Okay.
I'll tell you.
You know, so I spent $200 on this used drone, first one I've owned, and it has been so much fun. It is like the best $200 I think I've ever spent.
Baby, you have a tree on your right. Be careful.
Thank you very much, dear. So keep it right there is what you're saying?
Yeah, don't move.
Thank you so much. Let me make sure. Let me get the tree in vision. That is extremely close to the tree. Alrighty. Good to know. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. So we also want to give a shout out to Merit Construction, who sponsored the property and the home here, and Marv and your effort here. This place just looks awesome. I got to tour the inside, and it is very
Oh,
impressive.
gosh,
You
it
guys
is.
nailed it, I think.
And
I think
thank
Chris-
you all so much. It's been truly a blessing. And I'm happy and ready to move in.
It is gorgeous inside. I painted that day. I said, you can't envision what they look like until you go in when it's finished.
Yeah. It looks small at first, but once you get everything in there, it's like, oh God, well.
So this is next door. This is kind of,
It's
I'm going
one
to
in
cheat
progress,
here.
yeah.
I'm going to cheat, and this is what it looks like for a roof to be built in progress.
Yep.
This is another home being built by the same group, and you can see the shingles on top of the roof, and it's already felted. They've started laying some of the shingles. Got some really cool weather here.
Yeah. You lucked out.
Yep.
And it's,
What is her name of that house?
Her name is Tasha.
Tasha.
and
Tasha.
it's the inside group. Is
Yes,
inside
inside.
group?
Inside. Okay, that's why Ed's here. Ed's the owner of Inside.
Okay,
He
good.
owns it, yeah.
So
I wondered what it
I hope I don't make the workers anxious over there, but that is,
They're having lunch.
was. There you
they're
go.
having
You're
lunch.
not up in the roof, so,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Fair enough. Well, I'll come back over to our property here, and there's your roof. Oh, thank you, baby. Appreciate it. There's your roof. I'm gonna get away from the tree here. And congratulations
Yeah.
on
Thank
the
you.
place.
Well, that's
Yeah,
fine.
I know you worked really hard, and Merritt Construction and Marv have worked really hard to get this place, and we were just
Yes.
glad to be a small part of it with
Well, we
with our
appreciate
roofing
putting that
work.
roof, 'cause we quit.
Absolutely.
It look awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I better bring this
Okay,
thing down
bring her
without
down.
crashing it.
Yeah.
So I got to pay attention here for a minute, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, don't hit the wires or anything.
Yeah.
Landed from the iPad.
Not yet. It's got those wires. I'm gonna do it manually, sweetie. There's my girlfriend right there. That's Beatrice. Say hey. She's the one that's been making sure we didn't crash here. Thank you so much. That was a very important job. All right, I'm bringing her down. Guys out there watching and viewing, feel free to take a look at more details. We'll drop some photos from the inside on the feed here as well of the beautiful building got built over here in East Knoxville. Thank you guys so
All right,
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna end transmission and land this puppy.
Landing.